Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your Outlook password. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook desktop app, but not the 365 Microsoft version, just the desktop app that looks the same as you would open the Outlook in a browser like Google Chrome or Opera or Edge or anything else, any other browser. And it really doesn't matter in this situation because you need to just change your password through a browser because there is no other option that you can do it. So what you want to do is go to your browser. For me it's going to be Google Chrome, and just go through just type Outlook in the search engine and go to Microsoft Outlook link right here. I have opened it before, and what you want to do is just sign in. So as you can see, I didn't log out earlier, so I'm logged in right now. And what you want to do after logging in to your Outlook account on your browser, just click in this icon right here. This is icon of your account, and go to my profile. And here you're going to have in the top of the page option that is called change password. So you just click on it, and also you need to have added your supportive email, another email to your account to do this, or a phone number that they are going just to send you, the codes to verify that this is you and not anyone else. Just it's a security feature from Microsoft. So now you need to enter your current password. And your new password. And just click save. Oh, this password doesn't match, so maybe I wrote something else here. Now this should work. Yeah, as you can see, they are now matching. And now, as you can see, I have the information, the mail on my Outlook that my password has changed. And now we need to enter your new password to log in. And voila, you have just changed your password to an Outlook account. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.